there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this MacBook Pro. This is a replacement battery for a 14-inch MacBook, and mostly those are the 2021 model. It comes with everything that you can see right here on the screen, and this is a very detailed manual of instruction on how you can install this battery. It comes with pictures, which makes it even easier to do. Okay, it comes with a warranty and also these tools that you will be using to detach the old battery and then reattach the new battery. Okay, so it is really nice because you even have these tools that will help you to remove. It includes the screwdrivers that you might need to attach and detach the old one. Okay, this is the battery, how it comes, and it is really neat. Also, it comes with these like a scraper tool that you will be needing to remove the older, and some cleaning tools that you will be using, also your gloves so you don't leave any print on this device. And you can attach this battery with these double-sided tape.